Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jake.
I'm Ness.
And we're the owners of No Garage. Okay, basically we're here in our little home setup here. We're doing an update on No Garage. This is basically a channel intro. We've been meaning to do this for a while now to keep you guys updated as to where we've been, where we're going, where our cars are, what's up with the company, when's it gonna open, are we high, are we single, like, okay, it's all, we'll tell you guys here, all right?
Exactly. So we were planning on starting our business again up in January. Things just did not work out how we planned. We ended up packing all of our belongings in Virginia, moving down here to Florida, thought we had the perfect house. Well, we got here and turns out we had no house. We had no house. So we've been homeless for the past 2 months, living at our friend's house, rent-free. Shout out to Trung for taking care of us, because if we didn't have him, we would be paying.
We'd be living in a hotel. We would have to live out of a hotel.
It was awful.
It's been rough.
I mean, we literally slept on a beanbag in a corner for 2 months. All of our belongings in storage. Our cars spread all throughout Florida. It's been rough. But we finally got a house.
I have like PTSD just hearing about it. It's like we literally slept on a beanbag for 2 months. Like, sheesh, like we got wrecked.
It's okay. But I mean, here we are. We're in our own little corner of our brand new house. We just bought it. We haven't showed anybody pictures yet.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. We got like a pool and we got a huge driveway for all the No Garage activities.
And we have a garage.
We actually have a garage.
We can finally afford a garage. Thanks, guys. all those booths we set up in Virginia got us a garage.
It's not huge, but it's honest work. Spring Break Bash is going down on March 19th through the 21st at Orlando Speed World, and we will be there. So if we drop this video before then, which you most likely will, just know that you can catch us there.
Yes, so you're gonna see us along with Tire Stacks and Interstate Performance.
While we were sleeping on those beanbags, we were still designing things and
Yes.
getting inventory ready for you guys. So there's that. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff.
We have put together a ton of product. So we now have all of these flags that you guys see displayed around us. We have Sarikawas, what are they called? What are those things called? The things with the air.
Tire pressure gauges.
We have tire pressure gauges. We have a ton of slaps. Lasers. We got freaking lasers that go in your car.
Oh yeah, I forgot we have those.
Yeah, those things are sick.
Come by, come check out the booth, see what we got.
We're gonna be driving at Spring Break Bash. Why don't you tell them about that?
Spring Break Bash. Okay, first off, huge shout out to Interstate Performance and Alex over there, because he's been helping me out with this during the whole transition of moving from the beanbag to our house and having to keep my 240 so. I'll be driving there. I got all my stuff ready except for the car, which is kind of a big deal. So I'm working on that this week. I'll be sure to keep you guys updated with that as well. If everything goes according to plan, it should be mint, but you know how that goes. Nothing ever goes according to plan. So there's that. So yeah, if you see me at Spring Break Bash, come say hi, say you saw the video, you know, come get some merch. Just come hang. Just come hang. I'm trying to get to know people over here. So just show face, tell me who you are. Tell me you saw the video. That helps me out a lot. Helps us keep making content, knowing that you guys are paying attention on this platform. So, yeah.
Lastly, the website. So, the website has been the bane of my existence. Let me tell you how much. First of all, I hate going to the post office. I hate putting together online orders. I hate it. I hate all of it. Like, honestly, my favorite thing to do is set up a pop-up shop and just stand there and get to talk to you guys and give you guys things in person. Like, I enjoy that so much. But when it comes to just doing those things at home, I'm just like, I'm not a fan.
We'll get better at it though. We have a whole room set aside for logistics and editing videos. So we'll show you guys later, but just know that we're gonna have more organization to what we're doing. So we're gonna have inventory so we can keep it live on the website. We're gonna have set days we go to the post office and drop stuff off. So we'll be better.
Yeah.
Don't think we're giving up on it. We're still gonna do online stuff because we have to get rid of this stuff somehow because we have so much stuff.
So our website, we plan to have it up second, so right after Spring Break Bash, just because I want to get like a final count of what we do have, and we'll be putting partial inventory online.
Yeah, I mean, I basically already created the website. I got all looking all cool and stuff, and I had all of our old stuff on there already, but we were still prepping to leave Virginia, and we were doing drift events and managing a company and drift events at the same time when it's just the two of you kind of becomes an issue. So if any of you guys are looking for a part-time job and want to get paid in boba tea, let us know, because we got you. So with us moving down here, there's been a select few individuals who have actually taken care of us throughout the whole entire process. So this is for you guys, okay? First off, Camel took care of my cars for 3 to 4 months. Thank you. They were in his backyard under a lemon tree. And he didn't tell anybody, so thank you, Camel. Appreciate you.
Wait. Not to mention that when we went to pick up your car, he listened to it casually while texting on his phone
Camel.
and discovered a whole problem.
Diagnosed my car for free.
For free.
Yeah.
Secondly, as soon as we came to Florida, Frank from Tire Stacks reached out to us. He is freaking awesome. Him and his wife, they are just the most delightful people ever, and I'm really grateful to have met them, because they actually introduced us to some other really cool people. Alex from Interstate Performance and his wife, they're phenomenal. So Alex has actually been taking care of Jacob's car, and he's been working closely with us with just getting these events put together and planning and just everything. He's awesome. They're both awesome.
Yeah, I've been working really close with him, so expect to see a lot of collaboration between our two companies, because he's just so cool. So you'll see a lot more of him.
Like, we're like this.
Thank you, Alex. If you look around us, you see all of these flags that we have designed. Now, as much as we'd like to take credit for designing, I'd say I'd only take about 50% credit, because one of our biggest supporters, aka Triple Style, look him up on Instagram. He's helped us with designing and just the overall process.
One of the biggest things that we learned this year is how to vector. If you guys ever plan on making anything, vector. That is the key.
Looking to open up your own company and make designs, or get in any type of artwork or graphic design, or just make your own merch that's, you know, universal to like different companies as far as sourcing out stuff and giving them files so they can work with your design. You need to know what a vector file is. That's key.
Absolutely. And we learned that the hard way, because we would spend hours on designs and then come to find out, oh, we don't take your raggedy JPEG.
What?
Oh, okay.
I gotta redesign that? Thank you, Triple. I hope you see this.
We appreciate you.
Who's next? Our friends. Our friends. There's our friends.
We don't have friends.
Yeah, we do. We got Han and all our Virginia friends.
The camera that we're using right now is actually not ours. It is our friend. It's our friend Trunks. So
He told us to make him videos while he's on deployment using this camera. I'm not trying to disappoint him, so I think I've done a good job. I've made like 3 videos so far with it. Thank you, Tron. I hope you see this.
yeah, we appreciate you.
And thank all our friends in Virginia that show support from day one.
So one thing that we were really looking into this year was how to keep our names still relevant up in Virginia, just because we did have such an immense amount of support up there, and we don't want that to fizzle out. So I talked to Joe, and we actually put together a care package full of prizes.
Speed and Style series winners of the series will receive packages from us first, second, and third. So expect to see that if you're competing this year for them. Thank you guys for sticking around this long. This basically concludes our video. Or be sure to leave a like, drop comments on what you want to see from the channel below. Turn on post notifications so you know every time I update with the video. Could be weekly, could be monthly. I don't know yet, but you know, we're still messing around with this editing stuff. So, you got any words to say, Han?
Let's drift.
Oh my god! Jacob!
Good morning, good night, somewhere in the world. Welcome to, I forgot what the name of this podcast was, but